Hello everyone. Today's activity is sorting an object. So this is suitable for toddlers, beginners. So with this activity, our aim is to make awareness of the counting, and then the creativity and thinking capacity to be increased. So what we need is a couple of pieces of papers, and then choose some objects. We can start with just 2 objects. Do not complicate the child. So choose something that which your child likes. Probably if it is for a boy, you can choose a ball and a car as objects, and for a girl, a flower and a doll as an object. I mean, according to the child's desire, you can choose. So either you can draw whatever the item you have chosen, or you can download from the internet, get small ones. So if you're drawing, please do color nicely. So today we will just do up to 3. That means we are going to teach up to number 3, and then day by day you can increase that. So if you can, when chosen objects, if you can laminate them. So for example, so you have chosen a flower and a doll. So find small ones and then nicely cut the flower. If you need to paint it nicely, color it nicely, and nicely cut the doll as well. And get another piece of plain paper and have 3 columns. I'm going to show it on the screen. So 2 columns are larger than the 3rd column, and then as an introduction, each column, on the top of each column, you take one of the chosen object and paste it and write the name. For example, so you take one flower and then you write the name flower, and then on the other column you can get the doll, paste it, write the name, the doll. And then the next step is so write number 1, keep a gap space to paste the object, and then on bottom or on the side you can write number 1, and then again keep the space to place the other object and put number 1 again, and on the 3rd column you can write number 1 as well. It's up to you how you would like to do it. Either you can just avoid writing number 1 on the first 2 columns, and on the 3rd small column you can write number 1, and then number 2. Then leave 2 spaces to glue the 2 objects on 2 columns, and then 2, then 3. So as I'm showing on the picture, you need to draw the table. So mix the pictures you have taken. Now we have flowers and we have doll. So we need to have 7 of each, because to to give an introduction to the child, to identify what are the columns, we need 1 from each, and then for the first one we need 1, and for the second row we need 2, and the 3rd row we need 3 of each. So from each you need 7. So mix them up, take it to a small container, mix them up, put it on the floor or on the table, wherever you are going to sit with your child. First you can show it to your child. This is the flower, this is the doll, and then pick one and glue it. So do it with your child. This will enable your child to improve the eye coordinated, improve the spine motor skills, and then the color recognition, the shapes, identify names, and counting. So do this activity, continue step by step, increase the numbers. This is an easy activity to do at home with your child. Thank you for listening. I'll come up with another activity soon.